only place in this entire universe that you can ride a ride like Time Traveler is at Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. We work closely with MACK rides to ensure this experience is fun and entertaining for guests of all ages.
Once we made the determination that we wanted to look at a spinning coaster, and MACK was kind of who we wanted to talk to, we had several trips to Germany. We rode the prototypes for this ride vehicle. It was a great time to kind of figure out what this car can do and what this train is going to do. So between that and then architectural development, engineering development, all the technical stuff that kind of goes on, there's 2.5 years worth of pre-work happening here to get us to where we are right now, just a couple weeks from opening.
MACK created a controlled spin for these rides. So they absolutely spin. They'll spin in a 360-degree kind of motion, one way, then another. So there is absolute spin, but it is in a controlled kind of spin as opposed to whipping along like you would inside of a teacup.
I mean, I've been on many coasters before and we have a lot of fun rides. But this is really unique and the first one. We have here this magnet device. We have here the percentage, how much percentage we want to go. So that's the way how we control the spinning of the ride.
It is a controlled spin with a magnetic braking system. So what it does is allows you to rotate it just fast enough that it's thrilling and unique, but it's not so over the top that you go, ooh, I don't do spinning. I don't do spinning. I hate teacup rides. It's not for me. This, totally different story.
The testing is underway. All 3 of the time travel machines are here. And now we're just waiting for spring and for the final commissioning and inspection processes to occur. And our guests will be riding and taking a little bit of travel through time.
Coming to Silver Dollar City, Spring 2018, Time Traveler.